Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to deal with uncertainty in task durations and how to get confidence in the project completion date. A project schedule typically consists of linked tasks with durations. The links create a schedule with tasks in series and parallel, which causes uncertainty in duration to counteract and overlap. Monte Carlo simulation will deal with that. We start in the uncertainty simulation dialog where we first open the required columns, which are hidden by default. When a task duration is uncertain, you can add an optimistic minimum duration and a pessimistic maximum duration. You only need to enter them for uncertain tasks, as you can see in the tasks table for 3 tasks. Worst case, the duration takes 5 weeks extra for these tasks combined. In ProjectWork, the minimum duration, task duration and maximum duration form a triangular probability distribution which is 0 at the minimum and maximum durations and has its peak at the task duration. The simulation starts in the uncertainty dialog. By clicking Apply, the simulation starts. The Monte Carlo simulation consists of runs. In each run, for each task a duration is taken according to its probability distribution and the project schedule is calculated accordingly. The result of all simulation runs is accumulated in a table where confidence in task finish dates is listed. The higher the confidence, the later the finish date. The project finish date corresponds to P30. Meaning there is a 30% chance to complete the project at this date. According to the confidence table, the earlier mentioned 5 weeks worst case extra duration is far more than the 80% probability of 1.5 weeks extra, hence the relevance of simulation. The 20%, 50% and 80% confidence date of each task can be seen in the Gantt chart, also of the project summary task. The simulation does not change the project planning, which is considered realistic. It only gives room for uncertainty. How to use the confidence depends on the project. After each simulation run, the presence on the critical path is collected per task. Its percentage on the critical path is the task's sensitivity. The sensitivity percentage is mentioned in a column in the task table. The higher the sensitivity, the more effect this task has on the project completion date, the more it needs attention. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.